Hello, my name is Heidi Wolf-Plum-Graham and I'm a physical therapist and clinic director for ATI Physical Therapy in Norridge. Today I'm going to be sharing with you 4 stretches that are important for every gymnast. As a gymnast, you need to have a strong yet flexible body in order to safely perform gymnastics moves. Stretching helps prepare your body for this and decreases your risk of injury. The first stretch I'm going to share with you is for your hamstrings and your low back. The hamstrings run on the back of your leg and they start with your hip and they run to the back of your knee. These muscles are important to be flexible to allow you to do your jumps, leaps, kicks, and tumbling moves. So to start this stretch, you're going to lean forward, keeping your knees and your back straight, reaching towards your toes. A stretch should be a comfortable pull, but never painful. If this is painful here, just back up to where it is comfortable. If you are able to reach your toes, I want you to pull your toes back towards you. This helps stretch the muscles in your calves. These are the ones that help keep your toes pointed during all of your exercises. With stretching, you want to make sure to hold for 30 seconds and do about 2 to 3 times. The next stretch I'm going to show you is to focus on the muscles on the side of your body here, specifically your quadratus lumborum and your latissimus dorsi. So from this position, you're going to walk your feet out to the side until you feel gentle stretch in the front of your legs here. You're going to reach up towards the ceiling with your left hand and reach towards your right foot. If you can reach your foot, great. You should feel a stretch along this side as well in the front of your leg here. With any stretch, you want to hold it for 30 seconds. When you're done, return to the center and simply repeat to the other side. Now the first 2 stretches focused on the back of your legs, the inside of your legs, the low back, and the side. This stretch is going to focus on the front and the back of your hip. To do this stretch, you're going to come onto your hands and knees. At this point, you're going to bring your right knee up towards your hands, followed by your right foot towards your left hand. Then you're going to slide your left leg back, bringing your chest up. At this point, you should feel a stretch in the front of this hip. You want to hold this for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, you're going to walk your hands out in front. You should now feel a stretch in your buttock on your right side. This is stretching your piriformis. These 2 stretches are very important to keep your hips flexible. After 30 seconds, you're going to push back onto your hands, and you want to alternate between these 2 stretches 2 to 3 times. When you're done with this side, you want to switch to the other. Gymnasts put a lot of stress through their wrists during their exercises, so we want to make sure that those are nice and flexible. In order to stretch out your wrists, you're going to extend your arms straight out. You're going to take your other hand, pull your fingers down towards the ground. At this point, you should feel a stretch in here. Remember, you want to hold this for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, you're going to just flip your hand around, palm up, take your fingers, pull them down to the ground again. You will now feel a stretch in this area. You want to do this 2 to 3 times on each arm. Performing these simple stretches before and after each gymnastics practice and competition will help improve your muscles' flexibility and decrease your risk of injury, allowing you to continue to participate in gymnastics. If you do happen to get injured, please stop by one of our ATI clinics for a complimentary injury screening.